In last class, we have discussed about biasing of JFET. In this class, we shall go with the biasing of E-MOSFETs. In the first, feedback biasing configuration. This is the circuit for feedback biasing configuration, that is for N-channel E-MOSFET. DC equivalent circuit. What is the difference between DC equivalent circuit and normal configuration circuit? Okay, in DC equivalent circuit we don't consider the capacitance because this will become open circuit. Okay, this figure shows that the circuit for the feedback biasing configuration, feedback connection to the gate terminal is feedback connection to the gate terminal is taken from the drain terminal to resistance RG. You can observe feedback connection. We have taken feedback connection to the gate terminal is taken from the drain terminal. It is taken from the drain terminal to resistance Rg. Ig is equal to 0, therefore the voltage drop across Rg is also approximately equal to 0. When Ig is equal to, when current term is 0, where voltage drop across resistance will be 0. Apply KVL to the input section. The input section means this one. Okay, this is the input section. Okay, VDD minus IDRD minus VGS is equal to 0. VDD minus IDRD, this is a IDRD minus VGS is equal to 0. VDD minus IDRD minus VGS is equal to 0, because IG here we have considered that IG is equal to 0 and voltage drop across RG also 0. So you will get VDD minus IDRD minus VGS is equal to 0. So VGS is equal to VDD minus IDRD. Apply KVL to the output section. You will get same equation. Okay. Instead of VGS, here we use VDS. Okay. When you apply KVL output side, this is the output side. VDD minus IDRD minus VDS. Okay. Minus VDS is equal to 0. This is KVL. When we apply KVL to the output section, VDS is equal to VDD minus ID into RD. This is the second equation. From equation 1 and 2, we can say that VGS is equal to VDS and VD is equal to VG when VS is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, VS is equal to 0. VGS is equal to, we can say that VGS is equals to VDD and VDS is equals to VDD. Okay. Or we can say that VD is equal to VG. The operating point is given by, that is IDQ and VDSQ. This is a straight line given by equation 1 is superimposed on the transfer characteristics of the MOSFET. The point of intersection between the straight line and the transfer curve gives the value of quiescent gate source voltages, that is VGS, quiescent drain current also. Okay, and quiescent drain current also, ID and VGS. Okay. When you substitute ID is equal to 0, what you will get? VGS is equal to VDD. When you substitute here VGS is equal to 0, what you will get? ID is equal to VDD divided by RD. Okay, this is what the graphical graph for the point for the circuit. This is a quiescent point. First condition is ID is equal to 0 and second condition is VDS is equal to 0. This is the equation, VGS equation. You make VGS equation, VGS is equal to 0, so that you will get ID equation. Okay. That is to draw the DC analysis. Okay. Next is a voltage divider bias. This is it is similar to the JFET. Okay, it is similar to voltage divider bias provided for JFET. We have already discussed in JFET biasing of JFET in that subtopic voltage divider bias. It is similar, but only the condition is difference is biasing resistance. You can observe R1 and R2 are designed to provide positive gate to source voltage. There is a difference in JFET and MOSFET voltage divider bias, that is R1 and R2 are designed to provide positive gate to source voltage. In this DC analysis, first we shall go with the DC analysis. We shall consider that Ig is equal to 0. If Ig is equal to 0, what is the voltage? Vg is equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VDD. If you apply the KVL to the input circuit, we get that Vg minus Vgs minus Vs is equal to 0. Next, Vgs is equal to, we can write it as Vg minus Is into Rs. Okay. VGS, we can write it as Vg minus Is into Rs. This can be written as what? Is equals to Id in voltage divider bias. Okay. Is is equals to Id in voltage divider bias. VGS is equal to Vg minus Id into Rs. Next, apply KVL to the output circuit. Write the equation. Okay, VDD minus, what you will get when you apply the output side, VDD minus IDRD, again minus VDS, again minus IS into RS. Okay, VDD minus ID into RD minus VDS minus IS into RS. Okay, that is what we get the equation when you apply the KVL to the output circuit. VDS is equal to VDD minus IDRD minus IS into RS. VDD minus IDRD. This IS is nothing but IS is equal to ID. Okay, so we can replace, instead of IS, we can write ID. So take common ID. So you will get VDD minus ID open bracket RD plus RS close bracket. This is what you get the equation for VDS. Okay. Next is the common source configuration. In common source configuration, first is fixed bias. For your syllabus, only JFET with fixed bias is considered. Okay. The coupling capacitor, this is the C1 and C2 are the coupling capacitors. This is a common source JFET amplifier with a fixed bias. Okay. For fixed bias, for gate resistance RG is connected, and for drain RD is connected. For source, there will be no resistance. Okay. C1, C2 are the coupling capacitor which are used to isolate the DC biasing from the applied AC signals, acts as a short circuit for the AC analysis. It will act as a short circuit for AC analysis. When you consider the DC analysis, it will become the open circuit. Okay. When you draw the DC equivalent circuit, we will make capacitors as open circuit. When you draw the AC equivalent circuit, we will make a capacitors connection as short circuit. AC equivalent model for the common source configuration amplifier circuit with a fixed bias. It is drawn by replacing all capacitor and DC supply voltages with the short circuit. We are considering now AC equivalent. So all capacitor and DC supply voltage with short circuit, and JFET with its low frequency equivalent circuit. Okay, JFET with its low frequency equivalent circuit. This is the AC equivalent model for the common source configuration, that is common source amplifier circuit with a fixed bias. Okay, they have considered the model, that is, and this one is a IE model. Input impedance. Okay, we know that common source configuration in third model we have read that transconductance. You can remember, I think in model 3, GM and VGS, you'll get GM into V. Okay. Input impedance. Input impedance nothing but what? Zi. Zi is equal to what you will get it from the figure. We can say that Zi is equal to Rg. Okay. Gate resistance. And what about output impedance? Output impedance is equal to, while solving output impedance, what we will do? Vi is equal to 0 and Vgs is equal to 0. Hence, what you will get the equation Gm into Vgs is equal to 0. So, Gm into Vgs is equal to 0. That will allow current to be replaced by an open circuit, okay, which this will become open circuit. Overall, this circuit will become open circuit because you will get the zero values. There is a voltage will be zero and it will allow current to be replaced by an open circuit. You can observe here figure. Only we consider RD and capital RD Z0. Okay, then from this diagram we can write that Z0 is equal to RD capital RD parallel with small RD. Okay, Z0 is equal to capital RD because if RD is small RD is greater than capital RD, you will get Z0 is equal to capital RD only. Okay, that is drain resistance. Next is the voltage gain. Voltage gain is nothing but output voltage divided by input voltage. Output voltage is here VDS and input voltage is VGS. V0 is equal to minus Gm into VGS open bracket RD parallel with capital RD close bracket. We know that output impedance what we got RD parallel small RD parallel with capital RD. But what is the output voltage? Overall voltage here, output voltage is equal to minus Gm into VGS and RD parallel with capital RD. So what about Vi is equal to VGS and that is VGS into V0. Okay, minus Gm into Vi. Vi is equal to VGS. So we can replace this one. Okay, we can replace the VGS. V0 is equal to minus Gm. Instead of VGS, what we should write? We know that VGS is nothing but Vi. So replace here. Instead of VGS, we have written here Vi, RD parallel with capital RD. Voltage gain, output voltage what we got? Minus Gm into Vi, RD parallel with capital RD. So substitute, okay. Vi get cancelled. So you will get voltage gain is equal to minus Gm small RD parallel with capital RD. If this the condition RD capital small RD is greater than capital RD, then you will get voltage gain is equal to minus Gm into capital RD. Okay, this is what common source configuration with fixed bars. Okay, this you should understand by this is a circuit for AC equivalent model for the common source amplifier. We have discussed in third model, just go through it. Okay, for common source configuration, what we draw the diagram, feedback topologies of feedback connections, you should go through on that topic so that you can understand easily what I have drawn here. Okay. Okay, in next class we shall discuss with the problems on these topics. Okay.